Hi guys, my name is Reliance, and I'll be making a short video to show us how to buy newly launched coins on PancakeSwap. And this video is coming as a result of the coin we are talking about in our group. That is the coin they are about to launch tomorrow. The truth is, we have been waiting for this coin for a very long time, for more than 2 months now, and finally the launch date is here. It's just by tomorrow. And the only thing you need to participate in this great project is download your Trust wallet, then buy BNB from Binance or from anywhere, and transfer it to your Trust wallet. Binance, that's buy BNB BP20, transfer it to your Binance. Leave it there. I mean, you should do this today if you know you want to participate in this project, and I bet you don't want to miss this project. It's gonna be a very big project, and for us to be getting this information now is just a rare opportunity. You understand? Because if you want to make it in any newly launched project, those that makes the highest part of the money are those that got the information at the earliest stage, like before the launch or immediately after the launch. That is when you can partake and make cool amounts of money. And I bet you this is a project you don't want to lose. Honestly, you don't want to miss this. We have been waiting for it. So many platforms, communities, so many crypto OGs in this Nigeria, South Africa, and outside the country are also waiting for it. So let's just jump right into this video. If you want to buy a newly launched coin like that, what you need to buy the coin is contract address. And where do you get that contract address from? You wait and get it from whoever is telling you to buy that particular ticker, like this particular one now. Sorry, I believe the contract address, whenever we get it, it will be dropped on our official group where everybody can see the contract address and buy. And whenever you see the contract address, make sure you buy immediately, because the earlier you buy, the better chances you have to make cool amounts of money. Because if I am buying now and another person is buying by evening, definitely I will be making more profits than that particular best person if you are buying with the same amount of money. You understand? So the earlier you swing into action and buy what you want to buy, the better. And I will advise, if you are partaking in this project, buy immediately you see the contract address, because once the contract address is approved and given out at launch, the market cap of this particular project keeps growing. And the more the market cap is growing, the more you are lessening your chances of making huge amounts of profit. Understand? So the first thing you do is open your Trust wallet. When you open your Trust wallet, come to this place. That is D apps. Click on the D apps. Then come to, it's launching on BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain. So we are buying it through PancakeSwap marketplace. So you type in mine. If not for the purpose of this video, I would have just clicked on any of these times I have gone through PancakeSwap. Then if you go through your, what is it called, your Trust wallet like this, you might see under popular, you might see the PancakeSwap there, but just to save you time, what you type is PancakeSwap.finance. Then you click enter, that's search. Once you search, the next thing you have to do is look at this. I want to try and make this video as simple as possible so that everybody will understand. It's telling me to connect my wallet. In case you see something like this, it will be showing your wallet here. This is my wallet. I am having multiple wallets here, and that is why it's showing the. So I just click on the wallet, then select which network are you trying to trade on. It's currently on Ethereum, but we are trading on this particular one. We are trading on this. It's on BSC. So you click on it, then you connect your wallet. Connect. Once you connect, sorry, the network has not yet changed also, and this is the most popular place you can change the network to BSC network. Look at this. You can see this is on Ethereum blockchain now, and we are not buying this on Ethereum blockchain because we are not using what is it called, Uniswap. So you click on that icon to change it to BSC. Click on it. We are choosing this BSC. This was where it was before. We are not using Ethereum. We are using this BSC. You click on it. You can see it has changed. You can see now it has changed. So the next thing we do is, this is the PancakeSwap interface. So where the next place you have to go for trade if you want to buy this particular coin or any other coin is, you come to trade. I hope we are all following. So you click on trade. I want to make it as simple as possible so that everybody will understand. Click on trade. Once you click on trade, this is what will show. See why I said we should buy BNB. BNB is by default, it's always here because BNB is what we are using to swap for any coin, because this is Binance smart chain what is it called, marketplace. Whichever gas fee you want to use here, you want to pay here, you are paying with BNB, the smart chain one, of course. So you are paying with BNB. So even if you are transferring BNB here and you are partaking in this particular project or any other project, if you are transferring $100 worth of BNB, make sure if you are buying, just buy like $95 worth of your BNB so that you leave the remaining $5 for your gas fee. So I didn't mean I'm having BNB here now. You'll be seeing the quantity of BNB I have here. That's my balance. So by default, this cake is here because that is the marketplace native token, which is cake. You understand? PancakeSwap cake, that is their native token. So they just left it here like that by default in case you want to buy their cake or not, but we are not buying this cake. So once you get here now, the next thing you have to do is you leave the BNB as it is. Leave the BNB like this, because what we are buying is we are exchanging BNB for that particular new coin we want to buy. So you leave the BNB because that is where we have our token we want to use to exchange for the new coin. So where we have to go now is this. You click on this, you can see an arrow by the immediately after the coin. This is the arrow, this arrow pointing down. You click on it. When you click on it, it said select token. If any of these tokens here are the ones you want to trade, you select any of them. But the situation whereby you don't have any token you want to trade here, that is where the contract address comes in. Any token that is about to launch, what everybody, every prospective investor is waiting for, looking for, is for the contract address to be released, because it's only with the contract address you can buy this type of newly launched coin. You understand? All these DeFi coins. So this is where the contract address comes in. For example, now if I have been given the contract address, let's say maybe the contract address has been sent to our Telegram group. Let's assume this is our Telegram group, then this is the contract address. This is just for the purpose of this video. I'm not saying we should buy this coin. I'm just using this as an example. This is how contract address looks. This is the contract address. Why this is the name of the coin. That's WikiCat. Don't buy this, please. I'm not saying you should buy. I'm just using it as an example, please. So, assuming this is the contract address you have been given to buy this ticker now, so you just click on it to copy the contract address. Even if it's on Telegram, just copy the contract address. I'm making this very simple so that everybody will understand. That's why I'm taking my time. So once you copy the contract address, we have copied it, you paste it here. It said select a token. Then there is a bar, search bar here. It's saying search name or paste address. They mean search the name of the token. If you have the name of the token, you search it, or paste the contract address. Now, if it's a newly launched coin like that, even if you know the name and search for the name, you might not get, in fact you will not get it, because first you have to import it into this platform using the contract address. Before this particular platform will recognize the name, you need to import it yourself. But situation whereby we have not imported it, it's a new coin that you have never traded here, you have to use the contract address first to add it to your or wherever, you understand. So this search bar or search box here is where we are going to paste the contract address. We have copied it already and I'm pasting it now. I've pasted it. You can see immediately I pasted it, it brought out the name of the coin. This is the name of the coin. It has brought it out now. You understand? Then if it's a new coin, somewhere like this, somewhere in the front of the coin, you will see imports. That is when you click import. You know what? Let me just see if I can search for any coin I've not traded here before, and see if I can import it, so that you see how to import to add to your wallet. Okay, let me see any coin I've not traded before. Do I have any? Okay, I think I've not traded this before. You see this coin within yesterday evening till midnight, I was watching this coin did more than 6,000%. This particular coin, X Shiba, it did. I was watching it. Actually, I knew when somebody dropped the information, but I did not buy. I was watching the coin. The coin, from when I was watching it, it did more than 6,000% just yesterday. Let me show you now. Sorry for this deviation. I just want to show you something. See, yesterday was, I think, 5th. This thing is not updated. Sorry. Yesterday was 5th. Okay, 5th is not updated there, but let's just forget. See where the price of this coin was as at that yesterday. I think day before yesterday. I think it was having how many zeros then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. And just yesterday, boom, see the price. This percentage has come down already. It did above 6,000. I think 5,000 plus or 6,000. $500 would have given you more than $30-something,000 just within a day. But this is not why we are here or what we are doing here. Let me continue what I'm doing. Let me copy this address. Okay, I just want to show us how to import token, so that for you to do anything with that token, just search with the name. So I've clicked on this cake. Let me paste this now. I've not traded this coin before. It's assumed this is the new coin I want to trade. It's not the new coin. It's just still for educational purpose. I am not saying anybody should buy this coin. If you are buying it, determine your own risk. So let me paste this. You can see what I'm saying now. You can see imports, because I've not traded this coin before. It's a new coin. Imports. Let me still explain something further now. The first coin I wanted, I was using, for example, if I search for that coin, WikiCat, that's I think WCK or WKC. Okay, WKC. You can see this is the WKC. It's showing here because I've imported it before. I've traded it before. I've imported it. You understand? But see this. The one I just copied now, I've not traded it before. Let me search for it if it will come out. Xship. Okay, it's out. I think it's out like this because I just pasted the contract address. But normally it's not supposed to be out, even with searching just the name. Or maybe PancakeSwap has upgraded again. So this is it. Normally you are supposed to trade this coin with the contract address. Once the contract address is pasted, the name of the coin will show. Once it shows, the first thing or the next thing you have to do is click on imports. That's to add it to your wallet. Imports. You tick this agreement. I understand. Tick the agreement, then you import. Once you import, you wait for it to load. So it has been imported. You can see now we are having cake here before it has changed to Xshib or Xshib. This one remains constant because that is what we are buying with. So the next thing you have to do is, if I was having a BNB here to show me max, to show me if I want to use all the BNB I'm having there, even if you click that max, this platform will automatically reserve some for gas fee. To not use 100% what you have there, to reserve some fractions. But it's better you always choose the fraction you want to use yourself. If you have $100 there, just use your manually input like $95. Use it to do the trading. Leave $5, because if you use max, of course the platform will automatically reserve some for gas fee, but it might reserve the little one you will use for the gas fee for you to buy that particular moment. When it's time for you to reswap back from that coin to BNB, you might have short of BNB, or you might not be having sufficient BNB to do that swapping. You will now start running a taskgetter to look for who to borrow you BNB or to transfer BNB. And you know, this is DeFi trading. Just 1 minute, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 10 seconds delay can make you lose huge amounts of money. So that is why you have to be fully prepared. If I am doing such trading, I used to leave at least $5, $7, $10 for gas fee, and of which, you know, each gas fee most times doesn't charge up to even $1, depending on the slippage tolerance or the percentage that particular project is set on. You understand? So that's it. Assuming we are buying this Xshib now, once you click maximum here on your BNB, then the value of the BNB you are willing to buy with here, it will give you that coin here. If you are buying $100 worth of a BNB, buying this Shiba with $100 worth of BNB, once you click maximum here, it will give you the amount of Xshib you just bought here. And once it shows here, the next thing you have to do is click down here. What the next thing you see is, instead of this amount, the next thing you see is swap. Or for new coins like this, you first see, I think, is it approve or something? approve peers or something. Yes, you just click on it here. It will be at this right side or left side. Once you click on it, you give it a little time, then the swap will be here. Or once you approve it, the swap will just come to middle here like this. You click on the swap, but you will not be confused when you are doing this, because once you impute it, once you're about to buy, the two buttons will be there, both swap and approve peers. The only button that will be enabled for you to use will be that approved peers. Once you approve the peers, give it a time. Once it's approved, then the next thing you see is swap. Immediately you swap it. Once you swap it, wait for the contract to be submitted. Once the contract is submitted, then you are done. Once the contract is submitted successfully, then you come back to your wallet. You need to add the coin so that at least you'll be watching it from here. So what you have to do to add it is you click here, click add token. When you click add token, you click here, this plus, click on it. The next thing you have to do is, we are doing this trade on Binance Smart Chain, but the network here is Ethereum Smart Chain, Ethereum network, sorry. See what will happen now. If we paste this address now, if we paste this address, nothing will happen here. Reason being that this project is built on Binance Smart Chain. You understand? So many people might make this mistake. They will say, we have pasted the address, but nothing happened. I could not feed the remaining ones. It will never feel like this because you are on a different network. Now let's change the network now. Let's go back again. So the next thing you have to do here is change the network. Choose this network. Once you choose the network, now let's paste the address again. The remaining columns here will automatically fill. Let's see. You can see now the name of the token is Christmas Shiba, while the symbol is XSHIB, the decimal is 9. The next thing you do is this, click done. Done. Once you click done, this token has been added to your wallet. Come back here. You can see it here. It has been added. Once it appears like this, the value of this XSHIB you have will be showing here, just like these ones. Once this is done, it means you have successfully bought this ticker. Then the next thing you have to wait for is the best time for you to sell. I think in my next video I will show you how to monitor, because new project like this, it will not be showing the value of the coin in dollars like this ones. Now you can see the value of this coin is showing in dollar. The value of this coin is showing in dollar. But other ones, for new coins, let me show you example. Let me give you example. Okay, see this coin now. You can see their value are not showing. You can see their value are not showing in dollars. I'm not saying you should buy any of these coins here. The values are not showing in dollars, but there is a way I can check the value if I want to check the value in dollars. I think in my next video I will be explaining that. Let me just drop this so that the video doesn't get too long. I hope you understand every step I explained here, and if there is any doubts, any challenge, advice you have, you can just drop a message in our group. I will be happy to attend to the message or to the question or query, so as to clear your doubts on any challenge you have. Thanks very much. I remain Reliance. I believe I've done this before, and I think why it was no more accessible on our platform was because I think I deleted it from my cloud, and immediately I deleted it from my cloud, it left even our group there. So I think this will try and tell boss if we can post this on our Telegram group, so that whenever you need to reference to it, you can just go to the Telegram, sorry, to our YouTube and watch it. While watching on the YouTube, try and subscribe, like our videos, and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever educational posts like this are made, you will be one of the first to get notified and learn from it. Thanks very much. Bye.